First, I want to congratulate the Trinidadian police for catching this piece of shit, yo. Now, this little race man, look at his pants. You see him walking down the street, and he is the one who killed Waterboy 6. That little dirty boy, yeah. The proof is in the pudding. I'm not lie. The Trinidadian police, they move quick. Listen, I want to play some voice note. I'll let you guys hear something. Listen to this voice note.
Yeah, fellas, that is information that was provided by somebody, and that is what lead to them going by homeboy house now. They wouldn't go for you just so, brother. Just so out of everybody now. Name here, somebody, and I feel like somebody know him, he walk, somebody probably here, he probably bust up him out and say he going and kill Waterboy. You never know, because some of them just talk to They do Tisha, still don't keep our eyes there. If you bad, you are the act a certain role. Yeah, they're meet one of them headless too, and they so brave now, boy, and tell yourself nothing can tell them, and nobody can do them nothing, and they protected. So they busting up their mouth and thing, and all kind of scene thing. They pulling up their own self and they even looking.
That's the same thing I saying. Somebody was lying and they know the person who do it. That's why they can call names.
Wonderful subscribers and viewers, we have a new channel. It's called Countryman Canada, and this channel, it's geared towards Canada and the gangster them, and the dirty boy them, and the knackies, and the pussy hole them. Countryman is gonna talk about them, because let me tell you something about Canada. There is a lot of Caribbean people living in Canada, and if you know some of the stuff they go through and do, it make your hair spin. Canada is not a bed of roses. So this is in a partnership with 6 Degrees. Check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel.
Easy chances of a man having all the same pants in the same area, boy. And they done hear a man from Angles and then they go on there and see a man with almost the same pants. It could be coincidental, but it's a one in a million. And I get some real fucking dumb luck too. Dog pants looking the same, yeah, so they looking like the same pants. I got the dog two down, 2 man fucking change everything but the pants. But the pants identical, it resembling touch too. Somebody had to call your name though. Just so don't come out out now, somebody call somebody name, right? Yeah, the man we don't sell by this one, so but he pants though, he pants. Himself. He said nobody call him name. But he pants alone is a reason to pick here, boy. That pants looking real familiar. Well, looking identical to the one in the video, which you could clearly see because it's a colored video too.
Let me congratulate the Trinidad police again. Now, may I tell you, you really have some set of waste man in a blood clot Trinidad. Now, why would he want to kill this young man? For no reason. But you know what really pissed me off the most? Are the people them in the neighborhood that support these fucking guys. Cause them boy them say them a hit man and I wear slippers. Listen to this, and this really incensed me to the point, you understand, and the police them do a good job. Me not care if YouTube block this, you know, or whatever, but me I gonna put this in this video. Listen to this. Look at this video. If you look to the top left where the timer is, you can see a man walking down, you know. Just give it a little bit of time. He's gonna walk down, and that's the killer. I just want you guys look at, there he is now. He's coming to the top right. See him there? I walk. Look at the pants, you know. See him there? Look at the walk. See him there? My walk with it right there. and him just pass the guy in the blue, and then boom, that's when him walk down and do the thing. Now, you can notice him run back the same way. Watch him a run back now. See him there? See him there run back? Wanna see him? Run back in the middle street, you know. Go back up the street. Real sick. Now, look at this. You see him walking in the video, and I took a picture, and you see him up there. Now look to the right, and look at his pants. Now, I'm gonna play a video. Like I said I was gonna play earlier, but I just needed to clarify the actual video of this killer running down. Little Wasteman slippers. Now, look at this. And the reason why I'm doing this clip right here is because you have people in these neighborhoods. I don't know if these Wasteman killer trick them, or if they're just knowingly supporting these fucking thugs who's out there making decisions, you know, to eliminate people's life. Like, just imagine a pussy will sit down and get up in the morning, smoke a spliff and decide, say, I'm a blood clot, be the judge, juror, and executioner of you, and come and blood clot kill you. Yo, B, are the most honest thing for me, dog. Yo, I wish if let me shut my mouth. Let me shut my mouth. Now watch this video. Now look at this guy. Look at the pants. And just listen to what this lady said. Oh, he's a working man. There you have another brother out there. Look at the pants. And look at the walk. Look at the body structure. See, the police, them, you know, I talk to him, you know, and come forget him. You understand? And you have people out there saying he's a working man, this, that. So, this little boy, him expect to go out there, kill water boy, you know. And water boy only 20-year-old in a dog. See, that little pussy can't be no more than 23, 24. And him is so brilliant, him go kill water boy, change him shirt, but didn't change him pants. And obviously, like the viewers them will leave the voice note say, somebody know and call the police and make them arrest him. Good work. Now, I want to tell you something about Trinidad. Trinidad have some really staggering statistics. And, you know, people are saying, oh, countryman, you don't talk about Jamaica. I talk about Jamaica. You understand? And Trinidad, I'm gonna tell you guys this. You see, Trinidad and Jamaica are the same fucking country. Listen, you see, the two of you, Trinidad and Jamaica, you are blood clot brother and sister. And the same thing go on at Jamaica, go on at Trinidad. You understand? What go on at Trinidad, go on at blood clot brother and sister. And you see the whole of the gangster are the same thing. But there is a fundamental differences with Trinidad, and I'm gonna say a unique difference with Trinidad. And I can explain. Now, you see, with Trinidad, there is more brutality. It reminds me of Jamaica in the 80s and 90s. The man them with the big gold chain like Jim Brown, and the man them a kill people. You have to just in a dance all about in America and foreign. It's the same thing with Trinidad. You understand? Another big difference is Trinidad have lots of money, and believe it or not, the money trickles down to the ground. So the bottom feeder like a pussy we kill water boy him. Then we able to get money on a regular basis, and people will pay them for the fuckery because there's lots of job in Trinidad and these motherfuckers don't want to work. Now listen to this. Some other viewers I'll leave a voice note. Listen to this.
The men and them on top who running the racket not killing one another, bad man. They ain't killing one another. They're running the racket, but they're not killing one another. It's only one ethnic group in Trinidad and Tobago are killing one another. In the cemetery, they digging up old jersey and old thing. The body ain't even getting chance to rotten properly. Faucet coming quick. And we create no new cemeteries, as you know, right? So, crime is a business, we all know that. But the Chinese are real guns, they ain't killing one another in Trinidad. The Indians and them are real guns, they ain't killing one another with it. Even the Syrians, them are the most guns because Abu is the biggest firearms dealer in the Caribbean. How them ain't killing one another? How is only we?
I want to interject right here. And what makes Trinidad unique is what this young man is saying. You have a bunch of different race. You understand? In Trinidad. And you can actually see a snapshot of the socio-economic and the racial thing that's in Trinidad. And like the man said, is only black guys dying, young black guys, young black women, and there is a murder every 16 hours of a black person in Trinidad, mostly young men. It is very, very, very disturbing. Let's go. Let's finish listening to this, brother.
How is only we black people killing one another for nothing? How is only we black people that support our party doesn't do nothing for we, and we love them till we dead? How is only we? Something wrong with we, and that's what we have to understand. Not about crime and the bull and this and whatever. We have to understand that something wrong with African people, boy. It's only we killing we, boy. It's we just destroy one another in the workplace, boy. It's we just destroy one another all over the place, boy. All over Trinidad is we destroying we. And that's why the Syrian have economic power, the Indians have economic power, the Chinese have economic power, and the black man on the ground with nothing. And so we killing one another.
This man said it best, brother. We have become the bottom feeder. You understand? Everybody else, you know, around us, you know, and this is even in Jamaica. You have niggas like Matalan, the Stewarts, leeching. Can the government of Jamaica do a audit of these people wealth and see if they're paying taxes properly, see where their wealth come from? Can they do a forensic audit? Can they run up in and kill these? No. But we, as black people, something is wrong with me. My mother always said black people, we have a fucking stigma. We are sick. We are fucking crazy. You understand? And listen, you see me, I don't like blood clot people, you know. You understand? Because let me tell you about black people. Them nice for one blood clot minute. As you turn your back, me can there chill with a man. I say, yeah man, countryman, you're my best friend. This, that, wait. And as I turn my back, the pussy I plan my murder. Listen, I've seen it many times. I get to me come from. You understand? And me, my family them did have blood clot money. Even though I get where I come from. Most of my friends them are rich boy. We all in a politics. When me I grew up, dog. So me know what I am talking about. You understand? We do have a fucking stigma. And Trinidad is really a snapshot of not only Trinidad, of what's going on, even in America, even in Canada, dog. But definitely in the Bumbuckler Caribbean. Listen, I'ma play another brother who was making a comment also. And then after that, I'm gonna wrap it up. Okay? Let's go.
Fuck, sir, I remember when I was a little boy. That's how it used to be. The place used to be on proper order. The thing is, the what men used to call gangsters is actually people that, you know, that men used to do a little thing. But it was nothing like we're going on now to this extent. And on top of that too, there was more for the community. What I mean is that nobody just couldn't come in your community with a sort of madness just so, you know, the men had the place on that order that was for the people. But now these days, me saying men is not for the community, but at the same time, if they could try to take advantage of somebody in the community, they will take advantage of them. It really do have no kind of order whatsoever. You see the thing too, them older heads gone, so it's more youth men running this thing. Not only that, the drugs them will be taken when them in the money block and thing. The type of music they're listening to as well. And I really blaming the music because music is music, but at the same time, the music kind of going out, no one or two playing a big part in how men feeling. Everybody feel the bad. Everybody feel they could do something. Everybody have a murderous intent, you know? So, boy, it's a new era, but at the same time, no order. Nobody listening to nobody. Everybody feel about it on everybody. And as you rightfully say, envy, jealousy. A man see you how you think. He don't know how you work for. He don't know how you get up, but he water. But he don't work for it. And he can take it from you. You know what I mean? So, it's tough out here, tough.
Partner, I agree with you. And that is the way that is how we have to get. No only strike on KFC, strike on higher food prices, strike on this property tax which so vicious, strike on we salary too small for the cost of living. Them is the thing we have to strike on. We have to wake up, you know. Because if we don't wake up, partner, to tell you the truth, you all ever watch the little video Pakistas, where the world was, the dark country was only nice place to eat and drink. They eat out everything and they disappear. That way we heading to in Trinidad, you know. People just feeding off for the crime and have houses in different countries, and when them ready and the place get out of hand, them can just pack up and go. And according to Buju, who could afford to run will run. What about those who can't run? They got to stay. I can't run. Where I can run? I got to stay. To face this mass, we have to wake up now. Only we wake up. We have to restore order back in this country. I mean, it's a crime, but we have to restore order. If it are no order, it's a chaos, you know. And right now we in chaos. And the people that leading us do not know how to restore order. So we have to try something else.
Now, I just played a series of voice note, and that is a snapshot of how people feel, especially the black community within Trinidad. It is a very disgusting thing. Just like Jamaica. Like me say, you see Trinidad and blood clot Jamaica, una brother and sister, and the two of una pussy. Straight up. And that me I tell you now. So, who wants to say, yo, countryman don't talk about Jamaica? Yo, the two of una brother and sister are una the same thing. Now, I have to go, cause the video here get kinda long. But, before me go, you see that Akia, where the waste money I do, and kill water boy 6 dog. I am very, very upset about it. And I can't wait until the authorities them really step up, because you see Trinidad, the police them, you know, wanna have equipment, you know, wanna have the money, you know, and wanna have the means, wanna need to get back some law and order. When you have a waste man can come and kill a 20-year-old young man who is selling water in the middle of Port of Spain, dog. That is such a shame. That it really, really pissed me off. And me I go say something. Me I call upon the man them in a jail. You understand? You see when the boy are coming in a jail, wanna know what to do. That's what me I say. You understand? Him kill a innocent working youth. You understand? And that is not right. You can't have some waste man get up like me right now, me I eat. And then me bun a spliff. And then get up. Walk around the road. To shoot a man in my community. Because me here say, over this him come from. No. We can't support them thing there. You understand? Now, if we are war and shoot out, that different. Shot for shot. But if you just a pick by innocent people and think say you're a bad man and then you can't go home, go change your blood clot shirt but leave on your same pussy clot pants and think say you will get away with it. The people living in the neighborhood know you do, them not agree with it and them blood clot set you up. Good work gonna do, you understand? I'ma love all the police them deal with your bumper clot. You fi stay a jail pussy. You understand? And the man them a jail know what to do. You wanna put on a foot dog. You understand? Listen, me I follow that case yeah, like many other cases. And like me say, things like these is just an indictment on Jamaica, Trinidad, St. Kitts, St. Vincent, of how corrupt and lawless our societies, and we can pretend to be like America and Canada and we doing this. Yo, that's why these countries have to treat us the way they do. Can't come America, can't get no blood clot visa. Nah. You understand? Because guess what? America, Canada and these places know what's going on in your country. So the onus is on the politician them too. Listen man, me don't know, yo, my name is Countryman dog. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video because me I get delusional and me I get upset and me I try not to curse. You understand? Me just I try to be decent. But anyways, I'm out. I'ma love everybody.